In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Vinted account. If you're new to Vinted, don't worry, this walkthrough will guide you from the very first click all the way to creating your account with clear explanations so you know exactly what each option means. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to vinted.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your address bar shows a secure connection. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and select Sign Up. Depending on your screen size, you might see a small menu or pop-up where you'll choose Sign Up again to proceed. Next, you'll be offered different ways to create your account. If you want the quickest route, you can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. This links your Vinted account to one of those services so you don't have to manage a separate password. Use whichever you're comfortable with and keep in mind that the name and email from that service may carry over to Vinted. If you'd rather keep things separate, choose the option to register with email. This opens the classic sign-up form. Start by entering your full name. This helps with profile and shipping details later, and you can adjust what's visible on your profile after you're in. Then create a unique username. This is what other users will see, so pick something you like and that's easy to recognize. If your first choice is taken, try a simple variation. Enter your email address next. Use an address you check regularly so you don't miss important messages like order updates or security alerts. Double check for typos. Small mistakes here can prevent you from receiving confirmations. Now create a strong password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Store it somewhere secure so you can easily sign back in later. You'll see a field for your zip or postal code. This one is optional. Adding it can personalize your experience by showing nearby listings and shipping options, but you can leave it blank if you prefer. Before you continue, check the checkbox to confirm you agree to Vinted's terms and privacy policy. Take a moment to read them so you understand how your data is used and what's expected on the platform. Finally, click Continue. That's it, your Vinted account is created. From here, you're ready to explore, customize your profile, and get to know the platform at your own pace. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Vinted journey.